This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're coming to you from the 2019 Disruptive Growth Conference in New York City. I have with me Heman Chao from Helix BioPharma. It's a publicly traded company on the TSX, and the symbol is HBP. Heman, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thank you. It's very nice to be here, Shelley.
It's good to have you. Let's get started with a brief overview of the company, and we'll go from there.
Sure. Helix BioPharma is a Canadian company, and we are developing a unique drug to target the tumor microenvironment in a way that nobody else is doing it. And we're in clinical development already.
So, Heman, give me some history behind the company.
Helix has been on the Toronto market for quite a few years, and we're developing a drug that is invented within the company, and that we are now in phase 1 and phase 2 clinical testing in lung cancer, and we had just been approved for pancreatic cancer testing also.
So what differentiates your methods of treatment from others?
Tumor has a unique way of gathering energy and dispensing it. And in so doing, the tumor actually is very, very acidic. And that acidity actually impairs the immune system. And we have found a way to counter that acidity to help other cancer drugs and also help even immunotherapy.
So interpreting what you're saying, this is something that is used with standard operating procedure?
Yes, it is. So this drug that we have is a protein-based drug, and is given to patients just like an antibody drug through the bloodstream.
What would you call your competitive advantage?
We are the only one company that have found a way to target tumor in this way. So we're targeting the fundamental aspect of the tumor in its growth pattern. So we found it very exciting. Not only are we targeting the fundamental aspect of the tumor, we believe our drug can be in combination with a varieties of drugs.
So is the purpose of the drug to prevent its growth, shrink it, make it disappear? Tell me.
The drug itself will target the tumor specifically. In addition, it will enable the immune system to hopefully eliminate the tumor cells themselves.
What is the competitive landscape that you're facing?
We are, as far as we are aware, the only company that are targeting tumor in this way.
How can your treatment work on so many different tumors?
Most tumor cells need lots of energy, and the way they do it is to convert glucose in a very specific way. And the byproduct of that conversion is lactate. Lactate is what gives you that acidic feature in the tumor cell. You find it in melanoma, you find it in the pancreas, and the other solid tumor types. So by targeting that common but also important feature of the tumor within our platform, can have broad application to tumor treatment.
Now, as a public company, please tell me, based on former previous press releases, what some growth drivers are for the company.
So we have recently just announced we have made a raise of about $7 million Canadian. We have just been approved for a phase 1B trial in the pancreatic cancer space. We have phase 1 and phase 2 ongoing study with lung cancer. Some of the data, in fact, will be published at the end of this year and the beginning of next year.
What is your background?
I'm a scientist in training, but I have also worked on business on the side. And I've been with the company for over a decade. So I've worked in different parts of the companies, and I'm fortunate to have my board and shareholders letting me to be the CEO.
Dr. Chao, let's get your website out there for more information.
Our website is helixbiopharma.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Heman Chao. Helix BioPharma. It's a publicly traded company on the TSX, and the symbol is HBP. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN.Live, coming to you live from the 2019 Disruptive Growth Conference in New York City. I want to thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.